Okay, folks, this is a video about a hive that I pulled the queen out yesterday about this time to go in the observation hive that I used today to show people bees. So the main thing I want you to get out of this is the sound. I smoked the bees just a little bit, but listen to how loud they are right now while they don't have a queen. Same thing with this in the top box. It's very heavy, plenty of honey in this box. So it's 10 frames of bees, 5 up here in the top story, and there will be 5 down here once I put them back together. Spreading the frames apart to make plenty of room to put the frame back in there. You have to be very careful that you don't lose these nuts. Every time you do this. It's hard to find a replacement nuts sometimes. But you can't really, you can't tell, but this hive, I mean, these bees right here are very calm. Not making that noise. So the queen's not on there. You have to double check, check close to make sure you know where she is. Okay, I'm by myself, so I need 2 hands to move at. I'm going to set my phone anywhere. You might not be able to see anything. I'm looking for the queen on this frame. There she is, right up here at the top. Maybe you see her, maybe you don't. I'm moving the the phone around. There she is. I did this a week ago with another colony, and you could hear them quieting down. They got quieter very quickly. So the queen went back down. She's down in there between these two frames. And they're getting quiet. I mean, well, they hadn't made a lot of difference so far, but they will get quiet pretty soon. That's my Dexcom going off. It's my blood sugar. So I hope you can notice the difference. They're definitely quieter than they were when I opened it up, but they don't all know the queen's in there yet. But I took them out today when I went to sell honey today in town. So I took the bees out. Put some in the observation hive for people to look at. I can already hear a difference now. Once she gets back home and her pheromones start getting through the colony, they start getting quiet. So I got this in my truck to keep for when I need it. This is my personal honey jar, honey bear. And I just open it up and get a swallow. But this is a nice colony. It seems to be plenty strong. Lots of bees. The bottom box has got a good bit of brood in it, and the top box is heavy with honey stores. And these have actually quietened down too. I don't know why they're not louder, but they're just, I guess they're sort of calm bees. And I'll put this one back on top over there. And they'll be ready for I think this colony is ready, is winterized. I think it'll be fine this winter. So I'm going to close this out and put them back together. Thanks for watching.